video is demonstrating how we can create a new form. And how I'm going to show you to create a new form is on a job. Now this is exactly the same process for any record that you have in your system. But today I've just chosen jobs. So in this scenario we have at the moment 2 jobs. And let's for instance say that we wanted to create a brand new form that wanted to capture a few different fields, or perhaps there was a time and materials contract here and we didn't want to see scope of work or resources. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a brand new form. To do this, we go to Manage Records, we look up Jobs, or in your case the record that you wanted to create a form for. Click on it and you'll see this list down here. So we're going to already start on forms, and I'm just going to create a brand new form. I'm going to give this a name of Demo Custom Form. I'm going to make it the default, sure. And then I'm going to put a section in here. So primary section and secondary section. Next. I'm just going to add all the fields just really quickly. We'll remove a few things. Put that in primary. We don't want resources, so we'll get rid of resources. We'll put the customer, job name, start date, status. Maybe we'll put our hourly rate down into secondary, scope of work, end date. We'll get rid of that. We'll keep that one, and we'll put that into primary. Alright, so we've allocated our fields to a section. And here we can rearrange the sections in terms of the order. I'll put end date next to start date. We'll put the project manager down the bottom. And we'll click next. And then we click submit. Okay, and we're done. So let's go take a look and see what this looks like. We'll note that it's already come up as our default because we ticked the default checkbox, and we have 3 different forms here, and you're able to put in data to any of these forms quite easily. And as you can see, the different fields change and update as well as the order. So this gives us the full flexibility to create any sort of form that we want for any record that we would like. Thank you very much. Hope you have a great day.